Okay, in this video I'm going to show you another thing that's sort of off the beaten path on the Samsung Galaxy Nexus phone, and we're actually going to go through all of the ringtones on the phone, all of the stock ringtones. Now, I'm the type of person that likes to make my own ringtones, so I generally use my own ringtones. But I thought it would be interesting to take a look at what the stock ringtones are on this device, and you can hear them for yourself. Now, the one thing already, I've only had this phone for about a day now, and one thing I've noticed is that the volume on the back speaker here could be a little bit higher. It's a little bit low, but I'm not going to put my judgment through on it just yet. I want to use it a little bit more, and you'll find out more about that in my full review on the device. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull the drop-down menu here. We'll pull down the notifications area, and I'm going to go into my settings up here. And we're going to go into sound settings. And then here it says ringtone and notifications. We're going to click on the ringtone here. Now, the one that I have set on here is Pegasus. Like I said, I usually use my own ringtones, but I haven't loaded them on the device yet. And Pegasus seems like one of the louder ones. As I said, I kind of have an issue with the loudness of this phone. So let me just play that for you here. And let's go all the way to the top and go through them. This one is Andromeda. Sort of just like a ring. Then we've got Aquila. The next one is Argo Navis. The next one here is Canis Major. Then we have Carina. Then we have Centaurus. The next one is Cygnus. The next on the list is Draco. Then we have Geartab or Gertab. The next one is Hydra. Then we have Machina. Then we have Orion. I kind of like that one. And then of course Pegasus, the one I showed you earlier. And then Perseus. Then we have Pixis, which is just a straight up ringtone. An old style telephone. Then we have Radiation, sort of that sound you get when you put a GSM phone near a speaker. Then we have Rigel. Then we have Robots for Everyone. probably my least favorite one there. The next one is Scarabus. Then we have Septrum. Now, just in case you're wondering, I do have this on the highest volume setting. So that's what you hear when you hear this phone ring. Okay, the next thing is Solarium. Then we have Themis. Then we have Ursa Minor. Then you have Zeta. Let's put it back on Pegasus. And we're going to go into the default notifications now, which is the notification sounds. Let's click on that. And right now I have it set on Procyon. Probably my favorite one of the notifications here. But let's go through them all. Of course, you have silent as the top option, and you had that on the ringtones as well. I just didn't go through that because obviously it's silent. The first one here you have is Adara. The next one is Arcturus. The next one is Bellatrix. Then you have Capella. Then you have Ceti Alpha. Then you have Hojus, La Flandre, Mira, Polaris, Pollux, of course the one I showed you earlier, Procyon, Proxima, Shaula, Spica, Tejat or Tejat, Upsilon, and Vega. That Vega one's kind of cool too. But let's put it back to Procyon, hit OK, and that's pretty much it. So those are the default ringtones and sounds that you'll get on a Samsung Galaxy Nexus phone. Click on the link at the end of this video and you can see all the different videos I've made on this phone so far. So that pretty much does it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.